Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video series we're going to build a to-do list app using modern Android best practices step by step. We'll start with a simple drawing of what we want our app to look like. Then we'll jump into the Android Studio and use Android's newest way of building UIs, Jetpack Compose, to bring that design to life. This series is designed for beginners and self-taught developers who want to truly understand what they're doing. We're going to take it slow and explain everything clearly. No rushing, no skipping steps. You'll learn how to read and apply Android documentation, build clean, maintainable front-end code with Jetpack Compose. The goal isn't just to finish an app, it's to learn how to build an app the right way. If you ever feel overwhelmed by fast-paced tutorials, this series is for you. Hit subscribe and let's build an app together, one simple step at a time. So we're going to make a little app. First we're going to sketch it. So it's gonna be like here. So let's do a to-do app. So we're gonna have like a little input thing here where we type. We like add. You click this. Click. Then we add it. So it's gonna be like a little checkbox to do one, and maybe like have a little trash can here or like an X, so it deletes it. Maybe in red, right? Like that. Do a second one to do, and it's check. We can like strike it, and you get the idea. Right? And so on. Alright, so we're gonna use Compose for this one, and how you should think about it, it's in rows or columns. So in here I want you to think that this, look at the heading, right? The heading, it's gonna be this thing. And this is going to be like a row, right? I'm make a new project. I already worked on something here. Empty activity. Let's call it to-do app. Finish. Yeah, wait a second. One of the other things I hate about Android projects is how long it takes to like build stuff. Let's move on. This is our main activity. This is on create. That's what it launches at the beginning when it starts. And set content. This is like the theme. Scaffold. I'm not sure, but it's doing the greetings here. So this is being called here. And you can have a preview there. Let's see. I think it'll show if you do like greeting preview here. I think greeting preview. Did it do it? Yeah, build it. So yeah, that's the preview right here. Yeah, hello Android. Green preview. So green preview is gonna run greeting, and then Android. So it's running that. That's why. So how this works is you need the composable and the function that knows like Android, that it's like a GUI or like it's a composable, and in preview this will show like this preview. So let's run it. Okay, and there's our card. So according to our drawing, we need to add like the heading first. So let's do that right now, okay? So we'll need like some sort of input So I'm just gonna Google like input, add to do, and then a button here. Okay, let's Google. We'll look at that. Okay. Here we go. There's a text, or you saw that on the other one. Column. When you do the column, it adds like the Alfred 3 minutes ago. So what I did here first was in the drawing itself, I'm going to do a column where everything goes and then add rows to it. So let's do, I will need that code. So let's do it. So here we go. I'm gonna change, maybe make a new one. I'm gonna refactor this. Whatever, just use greetings. Okay. Here, column, Alt Enter. There we go. Let's have this here for now. Let's see what happens. So, I don't like that this is happening right here. Really need to add some padding or like do like save view here. This Alt Enter. So let's add a modifier. This will be like the CSS in your websites. Padding modifier dot padding. There we go. Let's see what happens. Okay, let's add a button. Let's Google button compose. I'll use this code. Paste it here. But I'll enter. There we go. It's not a function, that's why. I'm just gonna leave it blank, whatever. Okay, so let's see. I guess our button, like, okay, it's down. There's two of them. Why is there two of them? I guess somehow it's like it's probably calling the green preview, that's why. Yeah, I'm gonna take this out. This snippet code. So it doesn't remember by, so anytime it changes, it'll recompose. Technically, I think that's what's happening. Okay. For here, it's gonna recompose every time it changes. It's a mutable state, it means it can change. And remember, we might use remember by sometimes. So there's a value, text value. It's gonna be here. Anytime it changes, it's gonna trigger recomposition. On value change, it goes to the value. Label, enter your name, placeholder. So it's gonna say for now. Single line, has to be a single line. So let's see. There we go, it's on the top. So I do like that. Some modifiers, whatever. Enter, import. Yep, there we go. We're gonna put in our code here. Text field. Copy. And then we're gonna add the button. Alright, hopefully this works. Okay. see what happens. This is taking the whole line, so it's not gonna. I think if I take this line out, it's gonna not get as much space. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. So it's a bit better, right? So I still need to drop it. I want it outside the column. I want it here, though. Yeah, I want it here. Okay. Come on. Okay, height. Okay. Guess this one. Let's redo it. There we go. That looks better, right? I'm gonna add like 40, 30. So it looks like. There we go. That's better, right? So I want a little space here too. Let's add a spacer there. And it's gonna be here. With 10.dp okay. So I'm gonna add 10 points to the row space. Here we go. That's a little better. Let's do maybe 20. 20. Okay, that's better. So we need to make this like clickable. On the next video, we'll make it clickable. Like and subscribe and comment. See you next one.